Hey, we are back. And I didn't realize that we disconnected. It's a good thing I checked up on you. So, number one, we're doing pretty good on the leaderboard. Number two, uh, I'm not sure when we disconnected, but we're gonna finish this up. We got one more to go. We just got 100% on 1, 4, 5, 6. I should be at 6. All right, cool. So this lab did not work. Report, no, not to worry. Let's get back to work. So continue learning. I'm concerned how am I going to do this hackathon and not run out of budget when it comes to building time. After completing this module, you'll be able to provision an Azure AI vision resource, analyze an image, generate a smart cropped thumbnail. Oh, it says before. Yeah. All right. So telling us what AI vision is, I know what it is. Didn't know it could crop something though. But that's good. It's called AI vision. They have so much overlapping names. The good thing is okay. Ooh. Poor. By tomorrow, we're gonna be. I think we could be in top 5 today. Let's see. So it just threw the C sharp at me. Like, okay. I'm a little nervous, guys. I'm not gonna lie, because oh, okay. I was like, where's the work? So save all that, close that, reopen that, clone that, clone that, clone that. Open. Oh. AI services. I think we just made that. Yes, I'm not gonna do it again. Mm-hmm. Lab files, analyze image. Well, what's the issue? Imagine manually having to update your keys all the time. Rather than automated services. Perfect. So where's the image that it knows? How does it know which image? I guess it uses the file name based on the package. What a package there. Let's make sure I'm still streaming. Okay, we're good. Oh, I'm telling it what image I'm working with. Oh, I need to update my .NET execution. .NET is real strict. A man walking a dog. Oh, yeah. Images, street. A man walking a dog on a street. Taxi. All right. So, with the analyze image function, we can get tags. My belly growling. Hmm. Mm, I think I've proven myself enough. Time to get out of here. Wait, can I see a real use case? So these are the tags. These are the tags. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna clean this up. Not yet. We got more challenges to do. So I am done with this one. Let me save my work. Tip: delete the resources. No, because I'm using them. Do you want to use? You want to use the Azure? I wish it said. Do you want to use? Do you want to use the Azure AI Vision to analyze? You want to use it to generate a caption. Um, mm, mm. A dense caption. Yeah, doing good. Doing pretty good. All right, I should be one more for today. Um, I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Gonna have to 8, which is gonna bring us right up to not temp 10 yet, but we're locked in. Classifying images is pretty easy. Provision resources, describe image classification, change a class, train a classifier. It's an Apple. Thing is, classifying is more broad. Like that's an ID, that's a passport, but I want OCR in comparison. Oh, they could work together. I feel like I've done this before with the AI course. I was gonna stream what I'm doing on LinkedIn, but I changed my mind. Why did I change my mind? Let's do it. So we are about in our second hour, I think. This hackathon said in 3 hours a day, but I'm averaging like a lot more than that. But that's okay. We are gonna now launch the exercise, and we are gonna go ahead and classify the images. So we're gonna open our repo again. You can close this one, even though I wouldn't be shocked if it's the same. Could you imagine if it's the same repo? What would you do? What would you do if you know? I wish my friend Brad was watching this. We would just laugh at that inside joke. All right, so repo is loading. Let's get comfortable. Let's put the AC back on. I started with a full laptop battery, and I'm not charging, and we are down to whatever this is. So, all right, we're good. We're motivated. All right, so now we're going to make some custom vision resources. We already have AI language resources, and we already have, we don't need that. Someone remind me to report the lab issue to the professor here, because that's a problem. And for those of you who are just joining, this morning I was at 4 on the leaderboard, but we're aiming for top 5. That's a jump away. So I've already completed a couple labs, and we should be at about 8. I was gonna stop, but feeling pumped. I think we could do 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I do 12, I have to do 13. If I do 13, I have to do 14. So we might be in the top 5 before I sign off. Hopefully, nobody else tries to jump ahead of me while I'm trying to jump ahead, okay? So let's get back to it. We're doing the object detection custom vision module. So we have created our subscription. We already have a subscription. We're going to create a resource. What's this? We don't need this anymore. We don't need this. We don't need that. We don't need that. We just need that. And we are going to create, what are we creating, guys? Custom vision. We just did a custom vision lab. What did we just do? And if we already have AI services, we did an object detection lab with C#. So if we already have, let me experiment a little outside of the script with the lab, and I'm just going to do it through the AI services, just for the fun of it. I'm giving myself 10 minutes to get this done. This is not what I'm looking for. Custom vision. Yeah. Create options. What are we doing it for? Both training and prediction. Got to get that resource group. I don't know who made this resource group, but I don't remember that being there 2 hours ago. All right. Oh, free. We love that. And then I believe we just review and create. Oh, if you already have FO, no, I don't. I did tell you guys I'm very hungry. I should try and catch Burger King, but I'm gonna try to see if I could finish. Breakfast closes at 10:30 over there. I got about safely an hour tops to head out and everything. Let's create. So we're creating our custom vision resource. Okay, I'm not ready for that today, right now. I guess it's not finished deploying, so we'll give that a minute. And I hope I didn't mess with the process because I didn't read the page I was just on. So after we have done our deployment, we are going to view the details and then note that 2 are provisioned, 1 for training, 1 for prediction. So I'm going to go right over to is it just me? I mean, it's a good thing I streamed all of this because where are the resources? Now to watch this back and ask myself, where did they go? How do you know? Oh, no, that's last feud. Do you think we have to redo creating this? Let's just do it. It's in use. Oh, no. Guys, I'm pretty sure we made this already, and it's probably still deploying. So I'm not sure what we should do. I'm not sure what we should do if we already have a deployment going on. I'm gonna make an executive decision here. We're gonna make it again, and then if we have a pricing issue, we just delete one. Oh, I did not hit the create button. It's a good thing that I made that executive decision. Okay. Okay. Hit create to make sure that we are in here. Stop picking my face. All right, deployment in progress. And now here we have to verify the details that there are 2 resources made. Yeah, one for training, one for prediction. And then we're going to make a custom vision project. So important, each resource has its own endpoint keys. This is going to come in the exam, and they're going to use these to manage access from my codes. Train an image classification model. Your code must use the training resource. It must use a training resource with its endpoint and key. All right. And to use a train model to predict classes, your code must use the prediction. So train them, predict one at a time. All right. So we're gonna create a custom vision project using the portal. The last time we tried to do this in a lab, I didn't have permission. Let's see if that changes. So they're buying these AI domains for real, for real. You can just imagine the budget they have to fight for to buy this domain. It's learning, it's good. Prompted sign in using the account. Excellent. And then create that budget thing is a joke. Have a sense of humor, guys. Create a project with following settings. So we're gonna make some fruit. They never gave me images to download though, so I'm guessing it's gonna pull it from my account. All right. I have to use your parameters. Yep. Classify fruit. We're doing classification. Yep. And then multi-class domains, food. Perfect. So are we using custom vision every time? like in the real world? If so, then I got questions. We're gonna add images, and then we're gonna pull them from. We're gonna pull them from what? Who gave me a folder with apples? So, um, I don't recall in the project. It's like all of the files in the training images Apple folder you viewed previously. Were we not reading this together? I don't recall seeing that. Yeah, there was no Apple folder around. So here's what I recommend. I'm gonna get my own apples. Hold on. Maybe it's no, it's not on the cloud. I'm scared to open anything because I don't there are no apples. No. What? There are no apples here. And the Mac is dying, so we gotta move quickly. All right. I'm just gonna upload two. I didn't tag them. I'm so sorry. Is it too late? Yeah. And then we got, it says here, oh, we have to do this over and over. I think we could just do a quick test because of time. In a custom vision project, click train. So let's see if we could train these. Two tags and 5 images for every tag. Shout out to the people in the world who are manually classifying the niche things that we are using. I need 5 images per. Is this an apple? Those are good. Not gonna lie. And then we need more mangoes. Oh god, these mangoes look so good. I could have a mango right now. But I'm gonna instead have a haircut and then grab my breakfast, go cut my hair, get ready for my trip. We're going to San Francisco. All right. So let's go ahead and add our mangoes. One image failed. All right, let's. I'm sure that was it you? Nope. Ah, can I click on drag? No, I can't. Why is it failing? No log. Um. Hmm. Yeah. Let's try and finish with the apples then. Please no duplicates. If there is, we just yeah, okay. Thank you. We got 1, 2, 3. This didn't upload, and this didn't upload. Oh, that's a WebP file. So here's what I'm gonna do. This. Who else didn't upload? You. Is this AI generated? And then got this beautiful JPEG fruit basket that also didn't work. Add you too. So you and you. Oh no, 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 no. I don't know if the tags are gonna overlap there, so we should not do that. And then we're gonna add this apple right here. One, two, three, four. One more to make five. Five apples. Uh, this basket. What's up with that? What's up with you? Why are you not in the bunch? Come on. Yeah. All right. So we got our five apples. We could train that, but now we need one, two, three, four. We need one more mango, and then we're done. So let's grab this one. That's a delicious looking mango, very sweet. Let's go over. I am in probably about no, eighth now, eighth place. Aiming for top five today. We can always pick up tomorrow. But I got up super early, 4 o'clock in the morning, to work on this. So um, I went from being in the top 10 yesterday. I was in the top 20 the day before that. So I'm jumping the gun. All right, so it's training. What's happening? Oh, it has to finish. How's our battery going? 6%. We got to wrap this up. So after it finishes training, I have to call the API. Yeah, I'm not going to get to do that in time. Fine, let's charge up. We're not going to stop working. Let's charge. I really wanted to have an excuse to go grab the breakfast, but I would love to finish this. At least this lab. All right, we're still training. So after it finishes training, we're gonna use it to do, I believe it's a probability. Uh, what are we gonna do with it? It's over here. No, there was a lesson learned that I repeated earlier. Basically, there's two things. train, and then you're going to predict. So after we finish training, we're going to do some prediction. We're still not done. What's this? Probably just, we don't know what that is right now. We're just going to wait until the training is done. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. All right. In the meantime, let's read up ahead of what's going to come. So we uploaded our files. We hit train, quick train. When it's done, we have to review the metrics, which we will do. Sure. My watch was not closed. Wow. Thing these Rolexes, you gotta be careful. Be careful. All right. It's still training. Something tells me to leave this alone. Because it's leaving this because here. Now that we've trained it, oh, so we could train it on the platform, and we could also do it through the API. We're gonna do it on the platform so I can eat and also successfully finish the lab. Let's do a refresh. You were not done. Am I missing something here? I said, whoa, slow down. Ah, nice. Nice. All right. Good. Okay. So, what is happening here is we have done our training with our apples and our mangoes. We've fed it the data. And the precision, the recall, and the AP should all be high because I guess that's what I told it is what it is. So now we're gonna test it. So about performance metrics, we're looking for a quick test. Am I gonna actually upload my? Oh, Microsoft has an image of an apple stored somewhere. And it's gonna tell me that's an apple. What? It thinks the apple is a mango? What did I do? It thinks the apple is a mango. Um, what were you fed? You were trained on one mango. Okay, I see. You were trained on one mango. All right, so we have to do another iteration, but as we could see, you need enough data, context windows. I believe they're called context windows to have accurate training. Otherwise, your apples will be mistaken for mangoes. So yeah, that's it, how it works. Otherwise, we could do the API. I could just run through that right now. It is coding time. So let's head over to settings. Let's just finish this up. General project ID. And then on the resources. Mm. Lab number 7. Do I have that? Yes. It's a good thing I didn't close that. And then I'm going into C sharp for me. Um, we're going into the train classifier. Then we're going to install the package. Okay. Ah, .NET. I need to update my version again. Oh, it's working. All right, slow down. Okay, it worked without me needing to. No, it's saying the Netcore app is 7.0 and it's not. I'm on. We're on 9. Can I not? Never mind. I take my .NET version very seriously. I don't know why when I did the update though, it didn't automatically change these to 9. Um, I think we should be fine there. And now let's go over to uh, where's this? No, we need to be number 7. Okay. Open the code file and review the code it contains, noting the following details: the namespaces, the main function, retrieves the configuration settings, and uses the key on the endpoint to create an authenticated custom vision training client, which is then used with my project ID to make a project reference to my project. Upload images function retrieves the tags that are defined. In my project, and then uploads image files from correspondingly named folders of the project. Okay, so this is a lot of collaboration going on, and I'm not nutrified enough to really get it. But what I do get is it's a code structure and how the variables are working, what they're doing with the custom vision website and what I did there, and my local, my application layer code, which is on my desktop. So we're gonna run this CS file, and I hope it's recognizing the .NET version, so it should work. It's picking up something with the .NET again. Here we are. Read your error logs, kids. This should work now. It will work. Install missing framework. What happened here? Hold on. Oh, no, unhandled exception, unrecognized GUID format. Train classifier. I'm not sure what this error is actually, to be honest. Is it training them is it training them as we speak? I prefer the online version. I don't know what this is, but you know what I like to do? I like to find out. That's what we're gonna find out. Meantime, let's investigate ourselves. So line 24, the project ID. I didn't populate my project ID. Um, do you want me to update it here? I guess so. Or do you want me to update it in here? No, it's being passed here. So you want it here. What are you saying? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I just put it in the JSON file. It should be fine. Read your own error logs. All right. Training key. So then what's the point of doing it? I mean, I already populated it. So why am I doing it here? I don't understand that. I'm really looking forward to the knowledge test that it's going to do. All right. So what happened here? Where's my .NET run? Uploaded images, Apple mangoes, could not find a path. Mangoes. Mm-mm-mm. You couldn't find the path to the mangoes. And why is that? And why do I have 7 apples? It's a lot of apples. Oh, my apples uploaded. That was, yeah, yeah. Apples were there, but it was looking for bananas, I guess. So we did upload the apples, which I guess is what we wanted. And now we can publish this fruit classifier. So how do we go ahead and publish that? Let's read. Settings, project gallery. I'm not seeing that. Performance page, I'm sorry. Click publish. Whoever designed this, thank you. And then I was to do this extension and I did not, but I remembered. On the top left, return and then use the custom visual portal homepage at the top right, click the settings and view. All the resources, find your prediction resource. Okay. Yeah. Let's think about that. Projects gallery. I'm still not seeing the project gallery. I guess it's changed. Is it this? Click the project gallery icon. There's no gallery icon. Turn to the home page. Okay, let's do that. Oh, there's the icon. Okay. And there's the project. Awesome. Now, use the image classifier from a client application. Is this the last thing? Okay, good. Now that we have the model, we can use it. So we're gonna use C# as usual, my go-to from back in the day. And then we're gonna open test classifier, and then we're gonna run our command, all right? This should be fine because I did update the .NET version. So it seems here a folder, no, so it's read. Yeah, okay, so .NET run. So we just did an import. Now we're gonna run our code. The .NET is still behind. Oh my God. Test classifier. Come on, I thought I updated you. And the keys are not there. All right, let's fix that very quickly. Oh no. Prediction endpoint, prediction key. These are all different values, I think. Yeah, they're very different values. So we had to head back over to, I think before that we need to update our .NET. So let's fix that very quickly. And then let's do this again. Unrecognized format, okay. Do they want me to make my own prediction project? Yeah. But I need the, yeah, okay. Project ID. Classify fruit. I'm not sure that that's the name I put, but okay. We're gonna leave it for now, because I don't recall the name being. Let's see what I had over here in the prediction in the training side. Nothing was there. All right, let's head back to business. So my key and then my endpoint. These keys are ephemeral. You cannot do anything with them, okay? And then the endpoint. So let's run this again. Oh, I have to run it from here, I think. Let's try this again. Unauthorized. Image test 3. It's an orange. Do you believe that this didn't work because we don't have an orange? I think so. We don't have a tag for that. We don't have a classification for that. So it will not return anything. I just did this. All right. So we don't have any oranges, so it will not return anything. I don't know if this is the message I'm looking for, but we could find out. we love to research here. Oh, ensure that you're providing the correct API key and credentials. Confirm you're targeting the correct endpoint. All right, so let's look at our endpoint again. Guys, let's look at our endpoint again. So we have resource ID, classify fruit. I pray to, honestly, I'll be honest with you guys. I was afraid of having a space here and it not working because I know usually I have to have a dash. Nothing. And if we put lowercase and a hyphen, what happens? My next question is, how am I going to debug this? So we have the project ID. We have a prediction key. And we have our endpoint. So what now? I think the source of this issue might have been, and I don't want to, you know what, I'm not going to say it. Let's see what Mini says. Okay, so maybe because I'm hungry, I'm not here and it's breakfast time. So let's wrap this one up. Let's see how my knowledge check is going. You want to train a model that can categorize images of a cat or dog based on its subject. What kind of Azure AI custom vision project should you create? Categorize. That's labeling. Which of the following kinds of Azure resource can you use to host a trained Azure AI custom vision model that you can use to host a trained model? This thing, custom vision, which falls under AI vision. But the last time I changed my answer, I regretted it. Let's just go. Wrong. Let's review. To train a model that classifies an image using a single tag. This is wrong. To train a model that classifies an image using a single tag, use an image classification multi-class project. People have to learn. So to train a model that classifies an image using a single tag, we use multi-class. I know I emphasize that reading is fundamental while doing this, and we have been reading. But I'll be honest, I don't recall. It says it right here when I was creating the service. You want to train a model that can categorize an image as cat or dog using image classification multi-class. And then what about multi-label? There's no multi-label here. Label is for doesn't say, I guess. All right, well, you know what I have to do? Gotta redo it. I'm just curious, if I can't edit it. If I had put air vision, what would have been the answer? Like, would it still say wrong? Or would it have to have the predict? Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. I've been at it for about 3 hours now. I'm exhausted. So it's time to go eat. And let's see, we should be somewhere decent on the leaderboard. To be honest, for the last knowledge quiz we just did, I feel like I want to just sit through this one again. So I'll do that with you guys when I'm back. And we should be good. Remember, we want to pass the final exam. So we got to actually learn. Anyway, that's it for today. Stay tuned to my channel for more hackathon documenting. This is fun. This is fun. I have a couple ideas what I'm going to build for the hackathon. We'll see what I actually do.